Good morning from Oludeniz, and today is boat trip day. Me and Holly love a boat trip. Always tend to have a few drinks on it as well. Jump in the sea, have a little snorkel. It's completely blue sky today, so we've managed to plan our week perfectly so far. The rest of the crew are on their way. The hangover crew after Megan's birthday night last night. But no doubt they'll be alright once they get on the boat out on the sea. This is the Hanuman office that we've done our paragliding through. We did our trip to Sakla Kent Gorge yesterday, and then we planned our boat trip with, and the guys have been really good, really well organised, and managed to do a couple of deals because we booked multiple activities through with them. So yeah, definitely recommend these guys. Beautiful colour sea. Off we go on a boat trip.
Right, we have made it to the cave. Everybody say hello! Hey.
How are we doing?
This is our little seaward boat. I don't know whether you can see it from there. But it's quite a small, nice boat. We've got some nice sunbeds. Tiff made it. Well done, girl.
Not really any fishies underwater, but still cool.
Not much to see, but.
Went on to stop 2. This is the Butterfly Valley. There's meant to be tons of butterflies up here. I'm going to go and check it out. The lads, because the girls are busy taking photos. Jack Sparrow's got an actual parrot on his shoulder. This spot.
Yeah, it's cute, really cute. Butterfly Valley, but I haven't even shot that many butterflies. It's really sweet, it's nice. It's a nice little spot. I think we're going to probably end up having lunch next as well.
So there's an entry fee to the actual kind of park to see the butterflies, which is only like £1, but a couple of people have just come out and said that there's not actually that many butterflies, so we're just going to give it a miss on this occasion and jump in the sea instead. It looks like the guy at the back of our boat is cooking the barbecue, so I don't think lunch is too far off either, which is included in the price of the tour, which is good. It's only about, it's out at like just under £10 for the whole boat trip for the whole day, including lunch, so it's pretty good value, and then you can just buy your drinks and stuff on board. This is our little boat, quite a lot smaller than the other guys, but just quite chilled, and play some like nice chilled out music and stuff. And then you've got Medusa, Dragon and Black Pearl, which are more of the kind of larger party boats, but also a lot of the kind of seating areas and stuff are covered up, so you don't get so much sun. So the reason we went for ours is because it's got the top deck. You can get out in the sun on, which is cool. Chicken is cooking. Can't wait for that. And we leave Butterfly Valley. Party folks are just starting to turn it up. Oh, now we can get our music on. And onwards to the next stop. Beers in hand. Cheers. Stop. A bit of lunch, barbecue lunch. That was cooked on the boat. And now we've got half an hour to snorkel. See if there's any fish. Yeah, there's turquoise water.
Do jump out.
Yeah, I will do. Obviously, I'm not going to jump into the boat, girl.
All I need one more chance. Oh, baby, let me show you. I need one more chance. Oh, baby, all I need one more chance. Oh, baby, let me show you. I need one more chance.
Oh, lovely spot. Sun's out. Great barbecue lunch. Not too much to see in the sea, but still good fun jumping off the boat. On to the next stop. This is St. Nicholas Island. People get off and have a look at the ruins, but I might just jump in the water and swim with those fish down there.
Wow, that was a torpedo.
And here we go, on to the next stop. Are you having a fun time today?
We are having a fantastic time, aren't we, babe?
We are indeed.
It's been fantastic. Lots of drinking games, lots of beer, lots of sun, lots of jumping off the boat. It's like a nice little
It's just like a nice little quiet stop. We've got a few people sleeping that can't hack it. You guys having fun?
Awesome.
Loving it.
Turkey! Yes! Come on.
Oh, that was a close shave. Nice for that guy. Safety first. That stop, so that was like a little area that's in the shade, and the water is really cold because it's never in sunlight. Otis has taken over DJing. Back at the villa. Absolutely lovely sunset this evening. Over the mountains. There's like this layer of haze. And then the moon is really, really bright. And we are just going to head up to Hisaranu, which is like our local town, which isn't a very big place. We're just going to head up there for dinner. Keep it local. Latino Sunday? Oh, that's a bit of you. If only we were staying till Sunday. Brekkies, dinners. It's good. Hiya. So we are at Help Beach Bar. It's a pretty cool setup.
Yep.
You like it, Hoss?
Very nice.
For a day of chilling out.
Our last day.
Our last full day in the sun. And we've got a nice chilled out beach club. Chilled out beach, no waves. Great for floating around, maybe a little snorkel. And then the bar at the end there for all our drinks and food and stuff. And we just got in the nick of time as well because it closes for the season at the end of October, and we're mid-October, so it's pretty lucky as well. We've got the whole crew in the sea, which is quite an achievement.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, mate.